What up, traders? It's your boy Martin from Affinity Markets, and today we're going to be looking at CAD JPY. We're going to break down CAD JPY from our higher time frame straight back to our lower time frame, and we're going to show you guys possible entries to either buy or sell on the market. Peace out. We marked out our support and resistance, which is our main points that we're going to be analyzing and we're going to be breaking down in this particular video. So what I'm going to do is just highlight some key points and some major levels that I want to show you guys, right? So for number one, we can see price is back into our resistance area, right? And what happened when we're back into a resistance area? We look for selling opportunities. However, we need confirmation before we start selling, not because price is back into a resistance mean it's just going to go for a sell. You need your confirmation, right? You need to do your analysis, and you need to make sure also that everything aligned with your strategy or the way how you trade the market. So for me, what I'll be looking for is to see how price react within this area, which I'm already buying, and I'll show you guys. I'm actually buying on all of my trading accounts because I like the setup. So I'll explain to you and show you everything. So let's go back to our H4 time frame, right? So last week Friday, we can see we had this nice pin bar candle where you see I have my arrow pointing down showing you guys. That was my actually interested point where I was going to be looking to sell, but however I didn't get that confirmation as yet, so I can't just sell the market because remember we need that confirmation. So I'll jump back to my H4 time frame and I'll show you guys how I took my buy, etc. So when price came back to this area, right, previously on our H4, we can see we had a nice bearish engulf candle, which is really quite interesting because seeing that price actually formed that nice bearish engulf candle right there on our H4, that's indicate to me that sellers may possibly look to take over the market at some point. This push that we're looking to push above that resistance might be a false breakout to trick buyers to jump in the market and then sellers just take over the market, because that normally happens in the FX market. So what I'm showing you guys on my screen now is my H4 time frame, and I'm going to pay attention to my candlesticks and my price action and what price is actually doing. What I really like is the fact that price came off back this support with that nice pin bar. You see that rejection followed by a nice bullish bar, you know what I mean, which is really good. Also, you can see we had price went back into that area. You can see went back into that resistance, right? After we went back into that resistance, what we can see clearly again is that price formed another sort of support, and this support comes from previous resistance, as we can see there. So if you head lower to like your hourly time frame, right, you can see much more candlestick. So what I actually saw is the fact that price came down, reject with that wick, right? And then we can see followed by a nice bullish engulf candlestick. And you can see if we head lower now on our 30-minute and 15-minute time frame, we're going to see a clean chart. So what I do see is this, right? You can see price came back down. We had this area, right, where we had that small term resistance on our M15 time frame. So that's how I look for my entry. So you can see what price did. Price came back down, right? Price came back down, tested that previous support, right? And then we break above, retest, reject. You can clearly see price did not fall below this area. So if price did fall below, if price came up, if price did this, if price came up, right, reject, right, and then break below, then this would have confirmed to me that price is going to head lower back into my 200 EMA. So however, what price did, you can see we reject and then we went higher, we came back down again, and then we break structure. You can see we are breaking this previous high currently right now. We are breaking that previous high. So what I'll be looking for is for either a short-term push and then a continuation probably back into our resistance area around 111.14 mark. So that's simple and easy that I'll be looking for on CAD, and I'll show you guys my setup that I had on CAD, and I'll show you this is the trade that we took and I've sent for my trader. So you can see we're already running in profit, right? So I've recently took tonight on a small account that I'm growing as well. So I'll just show you guys. So we're currently up about about 39, not 39, sorry. So that's about 39 pips on our TP1, but we're currently about 14 pips in profit, about 14 pips in profit. So that's the setup that we had on Cardian, and that's what we'll be looking for over the next couple of bullish moves. So once we break this resistance, then price can open room for possible higher push on CAD yet. So that's our setup that we have on Cardian for now on our hourly time frame, and we can see we already went back to our lower time frame where we analyze and break down the market, you know what I mean, and see what price is showing us, etc. And that's how we look for buy and selling opportunities. Peace out, guys. Thank you for watching. Let us know what you think in the comment section, and we will be updating different charts and different pairs every week. So if you want us to analyze any pair for you, let us know in the comment section. Peace.